In the Eastern kitchen, we have chicken meatballs and Alfredo pasta. This recipe is delicious and it's super easy to make. These chicken meatballs were top 10, okay? Now, going right into the recipe, we're going to start off with some ground chicken. Now, don't worry, I will have all of the ingredients in the description for you to follow. That's some extra virgin olive oil and a large egg, one large egg. This is going to help combine everything, all right? Now, we're going to season up our chicken mixture with some black pepper, just like that. Some dry parsley, that's going to elevate the flavor of the chicken meatballs. Some garlic powder and onion powder, just like that. To kick up the heat, we're going to have some cayenne pepper and some sazon complete. Now, cayenne pepper is going to definitely give us some heat. Now, we have smoked paprika right there. We're going to go ahead and put that in. And we cannot forget the breadcrumbs. That is Italian breadcrumbs, all right? We're only going to need a half a cup of that. Now, make sure your hands are clean and go right in. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell for more recipes just like this, okay? Before I forget, go ahead and add your mustard to the mixture. And you want to make sure you are generous with the mustard. I will have the ingredients in the description. And make sure it's well combined just like that, okay? Now, we are going to get an old-fashioned cookie scooper. Now, the size you can get one that's about 1 to 2 tablespoons. You don't want your chicken meatballs to be too big. Now, I tried the scoop for the first one. It was a little flat, so I end up having to roll it just so I can have the perfect size chicken meatball for my pasta. All right, so I went ahead and made my chicken meatballs all the same size, and look, they are perfect size to go on this pasta. Now go ahead and refrigerate that for 30 minutes while you get the rest of your ingredients together. Now for our homemade Alfredo sauce, get you a saute pan, heat it on medium-high heat, and add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And no, I did not feel like chopping no garlic on this day. Now mix and stir to combine. You want to saute the garlic lightly with the butter. We don't want to burn it, all right? Medium-high heat. Now add the heavy cream to the butter and the garlic, and then we're going to season this mixture up. Stir to combine frequently. Make sure the heat is on medium-high heat, all right? Stir to combine just like that, okay? Now we definitely have to season this Alfredo mixture up. Black pepper, some garlic powder, just like that. We need to hit it with some onion powder as well, just like that. Some Cajun seasoning, just a tad bit, not too much, some Cajun seasoning. Then we're going to go ahead and stir to combine that. Medium-high heat, folks. We want this to combine, reduce a little bit, and get nice and thick. To help thicken the sauce, we're going to add some Parmesan Romano cheese, just like that, and that's grated, of course. We're going to go ahead and add that to the mixture, medium-high heat. Stir to combine, all right? And this is going to thicken perfectly, all right? For added kick, some cayenne pepper, just like that, okay? And you can adjust that to your liking. Taste, test, adjust, folks. Remember, taste as you go. Make sure you like it. Now I added some dry parsley to elevate the flavor, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover it and let that simmer for about 15 minutes to get nice and thick. Now I had some Mafaldine pasta laying around and I wanted to use that, but you can use whatever pasta you like, all right? This is just a ribbon type pasta, which will be pretty nice for the aesthetic and the vibe that I want to go for this recipe. You know, something different than fettuccine, okay? Now go ahead and cook that until it's al dente, just like that. Al dente. Cook whatever pasta you choose until it's al dente. Now you see the air fryer basket. We are going to air fry these chicken meatballs. Preheat the air fryer to 400, and guess what? You're only going to air fry for 10 minutes. 10 minutes flipping halfway through, all right? This is going to come out so perfect. It takes the hassle out of, look, sauteing the meatballs. Now our pasta is al dente. Our sauce is nice and thick. Now take the meatballs right out of the air fryer. Remember, 10 minutes, flipping halfway through at 400 degrees. Add it to that sauce so it can soak up that flavor. Ooh, look at those juicy chicken meatballs in that homemade Alfredo sauce. But we are not done yet. Yes, you see that pasta on the side. Now, allow those chicken meatballs to soak up that sauce, and then go ahead and add your pasta to it just like that. Ooh, look at that pasta. That ribbon pasta looks amazing. And just like that, we are finished. This is our chicken meatballs and Alfredo pasta. This was amazing. Wouldn't you agree? It was super easy and simple to make with our homemade Alfredo and our chicken meatballs in the air fryer for only 10 minutes. Now, of course, I had to give you guys a taste test. These chicken meatballs were amazing, nice and juicy. They weren't dry, and the sauce with the pasta, chef's kiss. Listen, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell for more recipes just like this from Isotwan. Listen, I'll see y'all in the next recipe video.